Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. Today we are going to learn how you can add top and subcategories on your website and how you can display those categories on the home page of your website with images like this one. First of all, you need to go to member categories. Here you need to add a top level first. I will add a top level that will say save top level category. Now there are two top level categories. Now I will go to sub level and add sub level categories here. I will select in which one I want to add subcategories. I will choose web development. I will write here my subcategories. I have them in this file. I will paste them here. So you can use one sub-level category in one line. Okay. Now save sub-level categories. Okay, our subcategories are here. Let's display these subcategories on the home page. You need to go to setting and design settings. Go to home page. Select content to display. Add a box here. I will display them after streaming members here. Select categories. Sub-level. Sub-level categories. I will edit settings. I will add here browse. For now we are using this tag only show subcategories with photos. We are going to say no because we did not add any photo. Refresh the page. Now the categories are here. So the images are not here. Let's add images. You need to go to member categories and subcategories. Here I want to add the images in those subcategories that falls under web development. So I will add one by one. Upload image or PDF. Profile. I will go to my downloads, select the image, back to all media, select the image here now. I will add another image, backend development, upload image, draw file to upload. I will select this image, back to all media. I will save changes, refresh the page. Okay, the two categories have images. I will add the rest as well. So that's how you can add the images in top categories as well. If you want to display top categories on the home page, you can simply select here top categories. Okay, streaming top categories, then the top categories will display here, but I am using sub. I will select sub. So if you use a restriction here that only those categories should appear on the home page that has images, now only those will appear that have images. Okay, only two are appearing. You can also restrict that which top category sub should display. So if I display web development, only the subcategories of web development will appear on the home page. So you can select sub level. Okay, it is already selected, so I will save close. So these are already sub level of web development top categories, so that's why they are appearing here. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Dev Bilal.